Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad dahi. First, ensure your yogurt is chilled and thick. Greek yogurt works wonderfully. Next, prepare your vegetables by finely dicing 1/4 of a cucumber and 1 small onion. These fresh ingredients are key to a vibrant and flavorful dahi. Don't forget a few fresh mint leaves and a small green chili for a little kick. Now let's combine everything. Take your 1 cup of plain yogurt and whisk it gently until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. Then, carefully fold in your finely chopped cucumber and onion. Add the fresh mint leaves and the minced green chili. This step is where the flavors truly begin to meld together, creating a delightful texture and taste. To elevate the taste, proper seasoning is crucial. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to your mixture. For an authentic touch, sprinkle in a pinch of roasted cumin powder. Stir everything thoroughly, ensuring all the spices are well distributed. This balance of flavors makes your salad dahi truly irresistible. Once seasoned, cover your salad dahi and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. Chilling allows the flavors to fully develop and meld, enhancing the overall taste. Before serving, you can garnish it with a few extra fresh mint leaves or a light sprinkle of chili powder for visual appeal. Enjoy this refreshing and delicious salad dahi as a perfect accompaniment to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.